Today, we are going to paint a dark-colored chili pepper. Quickly outline the basic shape of the chili pepper and clearly express its features when drawing the light and dark boundary lines of the chili pepper. Grasp the overall direction of the light and dark division, while not neglecting the expression of the chili pepper's features. It's as if each half of the chili pepper has its own independent volume. Pay attention to the variations in intensity. Observe the changes in shape and their light and dark contrasts. The method is to find the outer contour and work inward. Then, move on to the coloring stage. Start by unifying the light source. Make the entire dark area consistent. The larger the surface, the longer the line. Then, further refine the tones. When adjusting tones, I suggest using side strokes. Make sure the dark areas are fully done. Since the chili pepper we're painting is a dark one, its inherent color is already quite intense. So, the light gray can be applied smoothly. For the smudging step, fold the tissue into a triangle. First, smudge the light and dark boundary. Then, smudge the projection shape. Next, smudge the entire dark area. This method is crucial. The dark area must be smudged thoroughly so that no sharp lines remain in the dark regions. Then, use a small smudging pen or tissue to gently blend the light gray tones. The purpose of smudging is not just to alter the color, but to express the space and volume. Once you've finished smudging, adjust the overall image. For this, I use medium carbon and soft carbon pencils. Adjust according to your image. When shaping, consider the chili pepper's main and secondary elements, and the space between the foreground and background. The frontmost part should be the focus of your shaping, as it's the most solid point. The uppermost part, moving toward the front, should also be a key area to shape. Did you learn it?